Specifications of battery removing and installation. Battery removing and installation is needed in case of battery replacing. Tear down the hole and bare the battery. Please check specifications of hole replacement. Take apart the 6 cross-round-headed screws around the battery by cross screwdriver. Then the battery could be taken down. Lay the vehicle flatly. Align the new battery with the grooves. Vertically and gently put them down till the battery's pins are inserted into the internal plug. Then press it with strength to the bottom and fix it with 6 cross-round-headed screws. Be gentle with the battery in the assembly. Press them with some force after ensuring that pins of battery are all aligned with the internal pins of vehicle. Install the hole according to specifications of hole replacement.